This is not just an ordinary Yamball. It's a 5-star Yamball with class that went to Harvard and came back. Let's dig into how I made it. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. And if you're just joining me or seeing my posts for the first time, welcome. In your pan, drizzle a little bit of oil. Go in with your sliced onion. Saute it for 1 to 2 minutes. Then go in with your minced beef. That's what I use. You can use minced chicken or you can use fish. The choice is yours. Add a little bit of thyme and then mix everything together. Go in with your seasoning and continue mixing. Add your pepper and onion mixture and then mix and mix until everything is properly mixed and the water has dried up. Fry and keep aside. I forgot to video where I was peeling my yam and cooking it, but I guess we all know how to peel and cook yam. Just one tip: if you want your yamball to stick together when boiling the yam, add sugar. It helps the yamball to be sticky, so you won't have problem of it in the oil when frying. This is my already cooked yam, and I added the minced beef mixture to it. After mashing it, as you can see, and mix everything together. Go in with your spices and mix until everything is properly mixed, like the yam and the minced beef mixture are incorporated. I went in with a little bit of curry to give it that curry taste. After mixing everything, I started making my balls. Dipped into a grinded oat. You can use what do you call it? You can use corn flour if you want, or you can decide to fry it. You can decide to dip it into your egg mixture like this, but I would advise you use oat for the coating and you will thank me later. In a separate bowl, crack in your eggs. It might be 1 or 2, enough to fry your yam balls. Go in with your pepper and the onion mixture, a little bit of thyme, and then a little bit of curry, and then a little bit of the spice of your seasoning of your choice. Beat everything together. And then keep aside. In your pan, we are going to fry the yam. So in your pan, add oil as seen in the video, then dip your yam balls into that egg mixture and fry. Fry on a medium heat, please. On a medium heat. Then after some minutes, turn it to the other side so that the other side will fry too. Fry until golden brown, just like this. Look how yummy it looks. Isn't it delicious even before testing? You can serve it with ketchup or any dipping sauce of your choice. Bye.